2015 Chevy Camaro SS 6.2 liter V8. It's got 4 catalytic converters right there and right there. And then what we did is deleted the mid resonator and replaced it with an X pipe right there, and had to install these 2 intermediate pipes to make it fit. Then he had BORLA ATAKs already installed somewhere else. Right there and right there with his BORLA tips. If it's not loud enough for him, we'll delete those as well, but he's gonna drive it for a little bit, see how he likes it.
2014 Chevy Camaro SS 6.2 liter. Really? You don't see much in red. It's a nice color. Actually looks good on these. Anyways, what we got done on it for you boys and girls. It's a California car, so it's got 4 converters. 2 on this side, 2 on this side. Then what we did is ran a 2.5 inch in, 2.5 inch out X pipe, and then did a resonator delete, 2.5 inch in, all the way back and out. There's a Flow FX, and then we put in the back 2 Flow FXs. I'll show them to you guys in a minute. Part number 71416, 2 of them as set. So it's true dualed with an X pipe all the way back into some beautiful Flow FXs there and there by FLOWMASTER. And then we put some massive 5-inch tips to complete the look, just to make it look pretty and nice. We also installed for him a cold air intake, a Can-N. I'll show you guys that when we drop it down. So he got the full package here. So if you guys want to get it done, come on by. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful content. And there'll be a link in the description for everything you guys see in these that we can get. There's the resonator and the 2 mufflers we cut off. As you guys can see, the resonator is huge on these to quiet them down. I don't know why they want to quiet, Chevy wants to quiet them down so much.
Sound decibels? Is that 4,000 RPM? Nice. All right, go ahead, back it out. Sounds good. Just clean. Guys, hear it on the inside. Much better. You guys can see the flow effects. Keeps it deep until you get on it, and then you hear it. Here's sound decibels. Right at 100. So it's a clean, deep tone, especially with the X pipe built in, made, you know, that we put in. It's a true flow X pipe, so it takes all the scavenge away. As you guys can see, when he revs it, it doesn't do the blah, 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 like when it sucks the sound back in. What is it, Jared? Blah, 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 blah. Oh, it's so nice and deep. I like it. Look at that sound. Those 5-inch tips look so good on it. Let you guys hear on the inside. Sexy color. Ooh, nice thumb. happy. Another happy customer. Enjoy.
There's the cold air intake, guys. As you guys can see right there. That's the K&N cold air intake we just installed for him. You have the part number? Can you give me the part number off of the box? I'll get you guys the part number. And there'll be a link in the description for it too. There it is. There's the part number, guys. So there'll be a link in the description for it also. It's a doozy to install, but it's fun. There you go. Chevy Camaro. Beautiful red color. I like this color on it, man. It's different. It's not the ones you usually see. Enjoy, guys. That sounded phenomenal.